are pleased to show you the 2011 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.